Ignoring the dust, noise, and all the disturbance at the shop, I opened the book. Author Brian Tracy questions in his book Million Dollar Habits, what is the opposite of worry? And he says, the opposite of worry is taking action. Taking action may not guarantee that your problem will be solved. But when you take action, you get busy and you at least stop worrying. I then started thinking on what actions I can take. What are the things within my control? The easiest thing I could do is email to WhatsApp and ask all my community friends to email to WhatsApp saying that we are on a noble intention to make India read. We are not spamming. We are not doing any cheap marketing. On the very next day, WhatsApp took note of it and lifted the ban. The WhatsApp ban experience made me think, in the long run, if I want to make millions of Indians read, WhatsApp may not be an appropriate platform. So, I took help of few of my IT friends and developed a free mobile app called Booklet. Booklet means a smaller version of a book. They didn't charge even a single rupee from me. This is the strength of doing something that has a huge social return on investment. Kind people join along the way to help you selflessly for the higher purpose, to make India read. Booklet app was launched on the World Book Day, 23rd April, the birth and death anniversary of Shakespeare. I decided to keep the app completely free with no irritating ads or subscription fees. Today, we have 10 lakh enthusiasts as part of Mission Make India Read, who read booklets regularly because of a small reading innovation in the app. I have summarized almost 200 books till now. The best of the best books in the world selected through a thoughtful process. But I don't simply dump all these 200 booklets in your phone when you install the app. If I do so, you will not read any of them. Because abundance is the enemy of motivation. See how we endlessly scan the TV channels just because there are so many and end up watching nothing. So the app works on the idea called Read One, Get One. You can download a new booklet of your choice, only if you read or listen to the existing booklet. You can get as many booklets as you want, provided you keep reading or listening and not just accumulating. But I always had a fear at the back of my mind. In the name of Make India Read, am I making India lazy? Will people stop reading books and just read my book summaries? My fear was proved wrong. When I started giving the Amazon buy links of the books at the end of each summary, many people started buying the books to dig deeper into the insights of the authors. I got a call from a young girl at 11 in the night. She said, "Wow, Amrut, I love your voice, I love your narration, and I listen to all your booklets without fail." I said in my mind, is this girl flirting with me? Let me pull her leg. So I asked her, why do you always listen to booklets? Why don't you sometimes read as well? After all, we have both audio and text in the app. You know what she said? She said, Amrut, actually I am blind. I can't read because I can't see. I got goosebumps all over my body. How did I not think about people like her? Booklet can be a boon to my visually impaired brothers and sisters of India. My mom donated her eyes after her death, but I think I am luckier than her. Someone can read books through my eyes while I am alive. What else can I expect from life? That night, I must have slept as the most satisfied person on planet Earth. My chase for money would have never brought me that satisfaction. True happiness comes from serving more and more people. That girl and I soon became good friends. She introduced me to the president of NAB, National Association for the Blind. He invited me to deliver a speech at one of the seminars. There I realized that there are more than 10 lakh graduate brothers and sisters in India who can't read because they can't see. They too are now becoming part of Mission Make India Read. At the end of my speech, the same girl gifted me a book, Who Will Cry When You Die, written by Robin Sharma. Robin says that if you want to find the higher purpose of your life, imagine that you are dead. It's your own funeral and people are standing around your body. What is that one sentence that you want them to talk about you at your funeral? So I imagine that I am dead and the rituals are going on at my funeral. Is it okay if people standing there say, Amrit was a smart chartered accountant who helped to save lakhs of rupees of taxes of many of his clients? No, not at all. What if they say, this was the guy who spent his entire life cultivating the habit of reading amongst the youth of India. Today, because of him, millions of young Indians have started reading books. And a big yes came from my heart. I found the purpose of my life. I found the why of my life. The reason to wake up every morning. I strongly believe books can make us think differently. Reading habit can help us grow rich in health, wealth, love and happiness by making us empathetic humans. And because of this strong belief, I have a burning desire to cultivate the habit of reading amongst the youth of India. Do you believe in my belief? If yes, welcome to the mission Make India Read.